Okay, well, today was a so-so day. Started off on a good note. Picked up a position in the British pound at around 9:30 this morning. Got it at about 2 to 3 pips just above the low. Pretty good discipline on the entry there. Made about 12 points in my favor, unfortunately. With the Bank of England announcement, for some reason I guess the market was expecting a more aggressive rate hike. The pound got severely penalized from 1 second to the next and just stopped me out. Took a 17 pip risk, which wasn't too bad. I mean, if it had the trade worked out, I think it would have been a very good trade, and it could have made some good return. After the fall, the pound wound up making up the lost ground and opened up higher for the day. But I mean, at the time when they got stopped out, I just didn't know what was going on, and I figured I got scared of getting back in. Unfortunately, because of that fear, I failed to take the opportunity that came up later on in the day in the euro, which showed greater relative strength, and clearly it was the currency to go long on if you want to go long on currencies. The second position today was in the Dow. Went short. Noticed a pretty significant bearish divergence on the RSI, both the hourly and half-hour level. Try to take advantage of that using the 5-minute. Took a position short at 12.061, which was about 2 points off the relative high at the moment, which was very good in terms of entry. Good discipline there as well. Rode it down about 50 pips. Took a profit out at 10 pips on the first CFD. I figured I wanted to pay myself just to say, hey, I won something today. Closed out the rest of the position at around 7:30 for about a 45 pip gain, which wasn't bad. It was pretty good. I knew it had a little bit more to go. I'm pretty sure this downtrend will continue tomorrow. I wouldn't be surprised if we saw the Dow gap downwards at the open, given that it closed between the relative low below yesterday's low for the day. So I mean, hey, that should be significant and should create more pressure on the Dow tomorrow. So I think the strategy would be to continue the shorts tomorrow. Probably the best thing would be in the morning to start off with the DAX if it doesn't gap down too severely. I'm pretty sure, I mean, today's close and the Dow will clearly bring pressure on the DAX. Other things to note, I missed a beautiful opportunity to get into gold. I mean, I've been watching that. Yesterday the opportunity came up, but I didn't want to do the future because I thought it was too big. Tried to do the turbo warrants this morning. Was a little bit aggressive maybe on where I wanted to buy rather than take the opportunity and jump in impulsively. I tried to see if the gold would come down to me. It didn't happen. I started taking off in the afternoon. Could have used the 30-minute, 5-minute technique. Would have gotten myself a pretty good entry at around 6:24, and I could have written it up for an extra $10. Would have been a nice gain. Oil, another one that took off on me. Tried to pick it up at 59.80. After I gave up yesterday's opportunity to get it at 59.20. I don't forgive myself for this one. I saw it and I just didn't want to do it. I was scared shitless. And then went on to make $2. I mean, so gotta get courage. Gotta increase my trading size. I think that's probably one of my weak points right now. Is I'm trading too small, which isn't allowing me to scale out and give me that sort of confidence that I'm winning, and to just take it a little bit further. As my psychologist says, faz merda. I have to learn to do that. Clearly, that is one of my biggest impediments, is the fear factor and the fact that I'm not taking all my opportunities. I should really just say, screw the money and just go for broke. Not go broke. I mean, go for broke in terms of just try them all and hey, try and see what comes out. I've been making some pretty good calls. Unfortunately, I don't play them all and I don't get the benefits out of them. And I trade too small on some of them, which doesn't make up for the losses that I've made on the other ones. We're getting there. Little by little, we're getting there. I'm pretty sure, give me another month until the end of the year. Like I said, we will be consistently profitable. I'm confident of it. If we keep up like this, we're definitely on the right track. Okay, that's it for today. Hopefully there will be more tomorrow.